In this video, we'll be dealing with function questions. So the function of gf equals to e to ln 3x plus 2 minus 4. Since they said function of gf equals to 5, we can just equal these two equations to each other. So that would be e to ln 3x plus 2 minus 4 equals to 5. So now we can just bring 4 to the other side, so that would be e ln 3x plus 2, because I brought the 2 in the front to the other side, and this is part of the logarithm law. And I'm going to bring minus 4 to the other side, which will become positive 4. So 5 plus 4 gives you 9. So since we have exponents and log together, we can just cross that out. So that will give us 3x plus 2 squared equals to 9. And now we can just solve this regularly. So that would be 3x plus 2 equals to the square root of 9, which is 3. So we square root these two. Now it's just simple. We bring 2 to the other side. So that would be 3 minus 2, which is 1. And x would be 1 over 3. Moving on to the next question, they want us to find the inverse of function f. So we know that the function f equals to ln 3x plus 2. We let function f equals to y. So that would be y equals to ln 3x plus 2. So what we want to do now is make x the subject. So we'll shift everything to the other side. That'll be 3x plus 2. So now we can cancel that out. So that'll be ey equals to 3x plus 2. Then ey minus 2 over 3 gives you x. Now that we've successfully made x the subject, we found the inverse of function f. So the inverse of function f is exponential of x minus 2 over 3. So our next question is asking us to solve the inverse of function f equals to function g. So we already know the inverse of function f from the previous question. That is exponential of x minus 2 over 3. And the function of g is exponential of 2x minus 4. So now I'm going to bring 3 to the other side, so that would be exponential of x minus 2 equals to 3 exponential of 2x minus 12. Okay, so now I'm going to bring all of them to one side, so that would be 3 exponential 2x minus exponential of x minus 10 equals to 0. So now notice that it is a quadratic equation. So let's solve this quadratic. So that would be 3 ex and ex. Okay, let me just draw this grid here. So minus ex minus 10 and 3 exponential 2x. So we know that this should be 3 exponential of x and this should be exponential of x. We know that it's plus and minus. that would be 5, so 5 exponential of x minus 6 exponential of x, and okay, this works. So this would be plus 5, this would be minus 2, equals to 0. So 3 exponential of x plus 5 equals to 0. Since we're finding x, we're going to shift everything to one side. So exponential of x equals to negative 5 over 3. This would be a math error because when you put these values in your calculator, it would not work. But exponential x equals to 2 would work. Since we're finding x, we can add ln to both sides to cancel out the exponent. So ln 2. So the ln and exponent cancels out, so x equals to ln 2.